Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a wedding registry on Etsy. The first thing you want to do once on your Etsy account, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner, right where you see your profile pic. You're going to tap right there. Then you're going to see the option Etsy Registry. You're going to tap on that. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page. And right where you see Wedding Registry, you are going to tap on Get Started. After you have done that, you can enter the date of the wedding, or if you don't know the date, you can tap on I don't have a date yet. Then you will tap on Next. Then from there, you could enter your name, and you are going to tap on Next. After you have done that, you will see what's your partner's name, and you can simply enter your partner's name right here. So let me do that real quick. Then you're going to tap on Next, and you can see who can view your registry. So you have three options. Anyone can find or view it, or only persons that you share your registry link with, or only you can view it. For this example, I will select only someone I give my registry link to. Then I'm going to tap on Next. Once you have done that, you can either add a new address or you can select the current address that you have signed up with. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you can start adding items to your wedding registry. For example, you will see some recommendations right here. If you would like to add any of these recommendations, all you have to do is tap on the GIF icon and you will see Add to Registry. You can also scroll through different categories. But if you are just browsing Etsy in general, so let's say I were to go onto jewelry and accessory, and let's say you randomly found something that you like, for example this right here. Let me tap on the bracelets, and let's say you found a bracelet that you like. Let me see right here. So let me select. All you'll need to do is simply tap on the profile pic or the bracelet pic, better yet. Then once you're on the product page, all you'll need to do is scroll down to right below Buy It Now. You're going to see an option Add to Registry, and you could simply tap on that. After you have done that, you're going to select Wedding Registry. Then you'll tap on Done. Once it has been added, to view the registry, you could tap on View Registry right there. Or you could scroll back up, and from there you will see a registry icon. So you could tap on Etsy Registry. Then from there you could scroll down and you can simply tap on Manage Your Registry. After you have tapped on Manage Your Registry, you'll be redirected to the registry page. And from here you can tap on Share. And that will allow you to copy the registry link. And from there you can share it on social media. And you'll also be able to monitor how many purchases has been taken. And you'll also be able to view how many items have been purchased right here by going over to the left-hand menu option. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.